This week, we embark on an exploration of the emotional expression found in the artworks of Édouard Vuillard. He was a prominent French painter, printmaker, and decorator known for his intimate and evocative portrayals of domestic life. Édouard Vuillard lived between the years 1868 and 1940. His paintings invite us into a world where intimacy and mood intertwine seamlessly. Vuillard's work often captures the delicate moments of domestic life, portraying intimate togetherness with a tender touch. Vuillard paintings transcend the visual. They evoke a deep spiritual resonance that stirs the soul. They invite us to bask in the warmth of shared moments, to reflect on our own desires and connections. In this sacred space, we are reminded of the beauty of love, solitude, and the tender interplay of human experience. Vuillard's paintings resonate with the spiritual pulse of life. They capture not only the physical form, but the very essence of being. They seem as if they are in a delicate dance of intimacy, light, and emotion that transcends time and space. They invite us to lose ourselves in the divine embrace of art. Vuillard's paintings are not just about the visual. They evoke a range of emotions from longing to tranquility. The intimacy he portrays invites us to reflect on our own experiences of love, solitude, and connection. In this way, Vuillard transcends representation, inviting us into a sacred space that pulsates with life and emotion. We experience a delicate balance that speaks to the heart of how, as human, we will always stand above the artificial intelligence. Even stroke of his brush makes a portal to a realm where the divine interlaces with the intimate. Vuillard's subjects are often women engaged in quiet contemplation, reading, sewing, or simply being. They embody a refined sensuality that resonates deeply. These figures are not merely portrayed, they are celebrated as embodiments of grace and beauty. The way Vuillard captures the play of light on skin transforms ordinary gestures into sacred acts. The delicate arc of a back or the gentle curve of a hand speaks to the divine nature of femininity. Each painting becomes a prayer, an offering to the beauty of existence. Vuillard frequently plays with spatial relationships in his compositions. He uses tight framing and intimate settings to create a sense of closeness. Figures in his paintings are often nestled within the confines of their environment, surrounded by lush fabrics and wallpaper that seem to envelop them. This closeness not only emphasizes the sensuality of the figures, but also creates a cocoon-like atmosphere that invites viewers to share in these private moments. Vuillard's palette often includes soft ochres, muted greens, and deep reds, creating a harmonious interplay that emphasizes the emotional depth of his subjects. Textures in his paintings are particularly noteworthy, whether through the intricate patterns of textiles or the fluidity of human forms. He masterfully evokes a tangible experience that draws the viewer closer. Color becomes an enchanting language of its own in Vuillard's work. His use of color is subtle and rich, employing warm tones that evoke a sense of comfort and nostalgia. Édouard Vuillard was born in Cuiseaux, France. He studied art at the Académie Julian in Paris, where he became associated with the Nabis, a group of post-impressionist artists who sought to explore emotional and spiritual experiences through their artworks. Throughout his career, Vuillard experimented with various mediums, including oil paintings, lithography, and textile design. He was also known for his involvement in decorative art, creating murals and designs for private homes and public spaces. Vuillard's artworks reflects a unique blend of sensuality and spirituality, inviting viewers into a world where the mundane becomes extraordinary. Vuillard's legacy continues to influence artists and captive audiences, solidifying his place as a key figure in the development of modern art. Please let us know below what you like or dislike about the sensual paintings of Édouard Vuillard.